Hi, here we are unboxing a Galaxy S3. Let's see the box in the front. Oops. Galaxy S3. We have, this is a cover, and I ordered a second box, a second Galaxy S3 for me. Let's see how it looks inside. Wow, it's pretty clear.
Nice.
Okay, here we have the micro SIM from T-Mobile. Let's see what else is in the box. Let's open it up. Wow, this is okay, let me well, I don't have a way how to compare it with my iPhone, but you can use your credit card and compare the size. Is pretty big. This is the real size here. You can compare the width, and the screen is pretty big. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. You got a starter guide, terms and conditions, headphones,
Right.
the power connection, USB cable, and some headphones accessories. What else we have here?
Stylish.
And we have the battery. It's an it's this is not an extra battery. It's the battery that belongs to the phone. Yeah, that's it. This is the Galaxy S3. I'm just coming from the store, and I have this second one that I ordered, and I wanna sell it on eBay. If you wanna buy it, just click on the link below this video. Probably won't be available because it's selling too fast on eBay, but if you want it, just try it and make sure check it out if it's available. All right, thank you.